Hi, I'm Faye.
Hello, I'm Fluffy.
And we're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy. And most importantly, read the house down.
Hi, everybody.
I am so excited to be here today. Are you all excited to be with us today?
Today is extra special because we have a guest joining us today. Would you like to meet them?
Yeah!
Please join me in welcoming our friend, Selena.
Hey, everybody.
Selena is a world-class hoop dancer. Could you share with us what hoop dancing is all about?
Well, hoop dancing is a storytelling dance. So I take all these hoops and I tell a story with my hoops. The hoop dance came from the Pueblo people, but now has been adapted all across Turtle Island for all First Nation people to share the storytelling dance.
Does anybody here love to sing or dance?
I like dancing.
How does it make you feel?
Happy.
Happy! Do you ever get nervous when you perform in front of so many people?
I do get nervous, but I practice lots, so it's really important to have self-confidence when I am performing.
Do any of you know what self-confidence means?
It's when you believe in yourself and you become brave.
Brooklyn, is there anything you feel confident doing?
Soccer and basketball.
Confidence sounds amazing. What happens if you are confident and you still make mistakes?
I was told by my teacher was that, when you make mistakes with hoop dancing, it's okay to make a mistake, you just keep going.
What are some other things that we do if we make mistakes?
You can learn and you'll do it better again. Like if you do 3 plus 1 when you got it wrong, that's trying, but then you can ask someone for help and let them help you and you succeed.
I get it. So if I keep practicing, my confidence is going to get better and stronger each time.
Just like Selena practices hoop dancing all the time. Now, I've never tried it before, but Selena's been doing it for many years.
Would you like to try?
Yes, please.
I'll give you 3 hoops, and then I'm going to get you to put 2 hoops on top of the other. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is gonna allow them to come over your head, and then I'm gonna bring my arm through.
Nope.
Almost. Now you're going to grab the bottom ones, and you're going to open them up and pull them apart.
You did it.
Selena, is this an animal that I'm representing?
Could be a flying dinosaur.
A flying dinosaur. I'm a pterodactyl.
Could be a flying dinosaur.
She did it!
Awesome.
I want to try doing it.
Come on up here, Lachlan.
Okay, Lachlan, we've got my hoops in my hand. Take your feet, step through 2 of them. Just 2, yeah, there. Okay, now you're there. You see this one here? I'm gonna drop it. There.
Ooh.
Now what you're gonna do with this one, I gotta go like this, yep. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it.
Ah.
Hold it tight, you gotta hold it tight.
Oh,
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah!
Now we're gonna open it up and pull.
Whoa!
And pull it. Take this hoop and it's going to go underneath me. And look what we have. There you go, Jasmine.
You're
Yep.
doing it.
There you go.
Oh,
Good job.
I did it.
Wow, Selena, that was
Do you
amazing.
think that you could please stick around and maybe do a real performance for us later?
Of course.
Welcome. Did you know that one of my favorite things about myself is my magnificent beard? I want an outfit that highlights it. Will you help me?
Yes!
Wow! This snowsuit is so cute and sparkly. But can you see my beard?
No!
You're right. Let's look for something else. Does this show off my beard?
No!
You're right. My beard is still hiding. Maybe it's scared of ghosts. Let's give it another whirl. Do you think this look celebrates my beard?
Yes!
Yay! I feel super confident. I love how pretty my beard is and can't wait for others to see it and love it just as much as I do. Thanks for helping me.
Hi, my name is Savannah, and I am 6 years old, and I love to get my day pumped up by saying my daily affirmations. I am smart, I am kind, I am beautiful, I am strong, and I love myself. I feel really happy and loved when I say this. Come on and say it with me. I love myself.
Are you ready for the settle down song?
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's book is Lily Loves by Kyle Luffner and Judith Drews.
Lily is no longer little, but she's not yet big either.
Lily has her mother's eyes and her father's mouth. Nevertheless, she is totally and truly herself. When someone calls her my little lily flower, she gets very angry. Even so, she always wears a flower in her hair.
Lily loves stories that could never have happened, but are true all the same. Lily does not like math, but she loves to paint numbers.
Lily is so strong, she can squeeze water out of a stone and tie knots in thick branches.
But she is also so gentle that she can actually dance on an egg without breaking it.
Lily loves her silky princess hair that is also as wild as a lion's mane. And she can be very funny. Seriously funny. Lily's favorite animals are guinea pigs and cats and small dogs with soft fur and red collars and turtles. And of course, horses.
My favorite animal is a turtle.
Oh, I love turtles too.
I have 2 turtles and 1 dog.
Lily can frown so furiously that glass shatters. But she can also smile so sweetly that snow melts.
Lily gets her freckles in the summer, but she loves them so much she keeps them in the winter too. She even names them. This one here is Marlene, over here is Emile, and this is Kim.
Lily doesn't think lying is good, but she does tell a little fib once in a while just the same. Lily has a big heart. Although she is still quite small, well, at least not so very big.
Lily can scream so loudly that the birds lose their feathers. But she can also whisper so softly that she can't hear herself.
Lily's name has only 3 different letters, although it is actually made up of 4. Lily is the world's best Lily, says her mother, and she thinks her mother is right.
One thing is for certain. What the world's best Lily does next is absolutely not certain. You don't have to be named Lily in order to be the world's best, but you must know who you are and what you love, and what you are not and what you don't love.
You are simply the world's best when you are who you are. Does that sound complicated? Because it isn't at all. Just look in a mirror and love yourself. That's what Lily does every day. No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
I love myself. Is everyone ready for Selena to show off her confidence with her hoop dancing? Yeah!
Wow, that was incredible.
I feel like I got a great confidence boost with today's show, and we can give ourselves a high five. Yeah. And sometimes I'll say, good job. Good job.
Good job.
Good job. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Remember to care.
Remember to be kind.
And remember to read. See you next time.